Hi, so we're working on the Mountfield petrol mower with a electric start. It's got a petrol leak on its engine, so it needs a new pipe, and this is not working. Snagging up right here, not easy function. It should move freely in that. So the tools you need is an airline to get all the dirt out. Can't really see that, can you? Let's put something underneath this here. I can't actually see what I'm doing with this camera. Right, it's set up now, which is nice. So we need some spare tires. That comes off. That should pull off here. So you can see how dirty it is in here. So that needs a good clean. So this is the problem here, the drive. You can see how dirty that is there. So that is clean. That comes out. That's the pin here. So that goes on here like this. So we need to clean this drive cog here. So what you do, put it in. So what you do, you put loads of grease on here. You want anti-seize grease. It's copper grease. That's just what you need. So then what you do is, let's say, for a sample, put loads of grease over here, and put loads of grease on this thing here, where that goes up and down in here. That goes like that. Then put loads of grease on, like this, loads of it you need. Put loads on. And that's how you do it. Then put the put the cog on and put the screw clip on. So that's how it's got done. Very little video. Okay, thanks for listening or watching. Bye.